The craziest legal cases in history. Courts exist to deliver justice, but sometimes they deliver something far stranger. Objects accused of crimes. Lawsuits over things that shouldn't be lawsuits at all. And some arguments were so strange, they actually made it to court. Let's begin. The bridge trial. In 1565, officials in Lavaur, France, put a bridge on trial. The bridge had collapsed and killed several people. Authorities blamed the structure itself, not human negligence. A formal court proceeding was organized. Witnesses testified about how the collapse occurred. Legal arguments examined the bridge's responsibility. The court declared the bridge guilty. Its sentence was demolition. The structure was completely torn down. A stronger bridge was built to prevent future disasters. The Lost Pants Trial. In 2005, a man in Washington, D.C. sued a dry cleaner. The case centered on a missing pair of trousers. He demanded $54 million in damages. The pants were lost after being left for cleaning. He claimed the business violated its posted policies. He also argued the loss caused emotional distress. The lawsuit attracted national media attention. Many people criticized the claim as absurd. A judge dismissed the case entirely. The plaintiff became widely mocked for the lawsuit. The rooster trial. In medieval Europe, animals were sometimes put on trial. They were treated as legal offenders in court. One famous case occurred in Basel in 1474. A rooster was accused of laying an egg. People believed this act was linked to witchcraft. Since roosters cannot lay eggs, it was seen as sorcery. The bird was formally charged and prosecuted. A court declared the rooster guilty. It was sentenced to death. The case reflects medieval beliefs about magic and justice. The McDonald's trial. In 1998, a US man sued McDonald's. He claimed the company caused his weight gain. The plaintiff was 56 years old. He blamed years of eating McDonald's food. He said it led to obesity and health problems. These included heart disease and diabetes. He argued McDonald's failed to warn customers. Lawyers claimed the food was made to be addictive. The case gained public attention. The judge dismissed the lawsuit as unfounded. The Weatherman trial. In 2009, an Israeli woman sued a TV meteorologist. The weather forecast predicted sunshine. It rained instead of staying clear. She trusted the forecast and dressed lightly. She was exposed to rain and caught the flu. The illness made her miss a week of work. She also spent money on medication. She claimed the forecast caused her losses. She sued the TV station for $1,000. The court ruled in her favor and awarded damages. The killer whale trial. In 2012, a man broke into SeaWorld at night. He wanted to fulfill his dream of swimming with an orca. The park was closed when he entered. He climbed into the killer whale enclosure. The orca attacked him almost immediately. The man was killed at the scene. His parents later sued SeaWorld. They claimed the park downplayed the dangers of orcas. The court ruled the man was trespassing. SeaWorld was not held responsible. The haunted house trial. In 2012, a woman visited a haunted house at Universal Studios. She was chased by an actor dressed as a werewolf. During the scene, she fell to the ground. She was not physically injured. The experience left her emotionally shaken. She later filed a lawsuit. The claim focused on psychological distress. She sued both the performer and the attraction operators. The court dismissed the case. Fear was ruled an expected part of a haunted house. The Michael Jordan trial. In 2002, a man in Oregon filed a lawsuit. He sued Michael Jordan and Nike. He claimed people often mistook him for Jordan. He said the confusion caused emotional distress. The lawsuit sought damages for personal suffering. The case went to court for review. The judge dismissed the claim. No measurable harm was proven. The alleged resemblance was considered minimal. The lawsuit was ruled legally unfounded. The aging trial. In 2018, a 69-year-old Dutch man filed a lawsuit. He asked the court to change his legal age to 49. He claimed his age harmed his job prospects. He also said it reduced his success on dating apps. He argued age discrimination was unfairly limiting him. The case was reviewed by a Dutch court. Judges rejected the request. They ruled age is a fixed legal fact. Age affects rights like voting and pensions. Changing it would cause legal and social problems. The bad date trial. In 2017, a 37-year-old man in Austin filed a lawsuit. He sued a woman he went on a movie date with. The date involved watching Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. He claimed she spent most of the film texting. He argued this violated theater etiquette and rules. The behavior ruined his movie experience. He demanded reimbursement for his ticket. The amount requested was $17.31. The woman agreed with the claim. She paid the full settlement. The sandwich trial. In 2013, a US teenager measured his Subway footlong. The sandwich was only about 11 inches long. He claimed Subway's advertising was misleading. The complaint escalated into a class action lawsuit. The case gained widespread public attention. Subway denied intentional deception. In 2016, the company agreed to settle the case. No major cash payouts were given to customers. Subway promised stricter length quality controls. The goal was to ensure true 12-inch footlongs. The cadaver trial. In 897 CE, Pope Stephen VI put a dead pope on trial. The remains of Pope Formosus were exhumed months after his death. The corpse was dressed in papal robes and seated on a throne. The trial took place in the Basilica of St. John Lateran. Formosus was accused due to political rivalry. Charges included holding multiple bishoprics unlawfully. He was also accused of plotting against Emperor Lambert. A deacon spoke on behalf of the corpse. Formosus was found guilty and stripped of honors. His body was mutilated and thrown into the Tiber River. The kidnap trial. In September 2009, Jesse Dimmick broke into a Kansas home. He took a couple hostage while evading police for a murder case. He demanded their help to hide from law enforcement. Dimmick eventually fell asleep inside the house. The couple escaped and alerted the police. Their actions led directly to Dimmick's arrest. The couple sued him for $75,000 in emotional damages. Dimmick filed a countersuit claiming a verbal contract. He argued the couple promised to hide him. The court dismissed his claim and allowed the couple's lawsuit to continue. The prisoner trial. In 1995, a Virginia inmate filed a lawsuit against himself. He claimed getting drunk violated his religious beliefs. He argued this action infringed on his own personal rights. As punishment, he demanded $5 million in damages. The money was to be paid by himself. Because he was imprisoned, he claimed he could not pay. He argued the state should cover the damages instead. His logic was that the state was responsible for him. The case drew attention for its absurd reasoning. The judge dismissed the lawsuit outright. These cases may sound unbelievable, but every one of them was real. Because when humans write the laws, the courtroom can become a very weird place.